Hello YouTube. I'm doing an unboxing of what I think is my Rough Rider throwing knife set. I believe like Naruto style kunai. So what I'm going to be opening today with is the CRKT Fire Spark. So let's open it. Sticker. Oh, what's this? Got... Huh. I didn't know that was going to come in with this. Well, see what that is afterwards. Alright. Okay, here's the kunai. And I bought 3 Rough Rider throwing knives. But I really want to see what these kunai look like, because I've been looking for a good kunai set for a while now. Wow, that's kind of cool. They're not sharp, but they got some weight to them. The wrapping on it doesn't seem to be great. Not good at all, actually. But it's pretty cool. That's the closest I've gotten so far. Put those off to the side. Really interested in to see what these are going to be like. Ooh. Wow, these are nice. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Wow, that's pretty sweet. What's it say? Looks like tested sharp. Rough Rider. China, of course. That's pretty awesome. So that's those. I'm gonna see how these do. I'm not sure. Thought the ring here would be a little bigger, but you know. Now let's see what Sharpest striker knife. Looks like a promo DVD. It's like advertisements, shipping stuff. Want me to buy more things. And what's this? Nothing useful. grandma would like that. Alright. Well, let's see. Oh, there's two. See, includes. Do not know what this is. It's probably just showing his work. So he has all their weapons too. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Unboxing of this, and show you my CRKT Fire Spark. And if you'd like to see a review on my Fire Spark, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.